Them just arrest 6 Ghanaian men because of say waiting. Then this man carry one small but carry stick, go they chook inside this boy. I know Sabi na nyash, I don't even know I want to explain. I no but this one na back this virginity. Una they see people, some people mindset very evil. And then this thing happen inside Ghana for Ashanti region. Una they see some Ghanaian men. Una they see what they do. We got say this 79-year-old man talk say this 16-year-old boy come inside and shop or come thief something. What did they even thief? We don't know. No evidence say this boy thief anything. Say because of that one, you won't come punish this boy. Come go gather in group and cause this bunch of old fools. Pack all of them together. Say make they come tie this boy hand. They can't go carry long stick, thick stick or not be small stick. Can't you can inside this boy? I know say they. I know. Behind a rape, they try to do it and even understand them. These people, my people, I beg, make now follow me see.
The 16-year-old boy struggled in pain on the hospital bed at the emergency ward at the Aproko Presbyterian Hospital. The victim is heard crying for help in a video recording. His attackers tied his hands at the back, stood on his neck whilst pressing him onto the ground with his face down. Behind him are men who cheered another one on to thrash a stick into the anus of the poor boy in front of a shop at Agogo Market at about 2:30 a.m. The Agogo police have arrested 6 men, including the owner of the shop where the boy allegedly broke into. They are Francis Obin Amwakon, 79-year-old trader, Prince Asadu, Kofi Bonti, all drivers aged 29 and 42 respectively, and Obin Mensah, 30-year-old porter. The rest are Osebonsu, alias Esibe, 53, and a driver, and 64-year-old farmer Wachedankwa. Preliminary police investigations have not established any break-in, as the owner is seen opening his shop in a video recording which was later circulated on social media platforms. The victim was found in an uncompleted building a day after the incident and sent to the hospital.
I beg, which kind of punishment be this? Which kind of barbaric punishment be this kind one? Because of say person thief, it be like say Ghanaian mentality for punishment. I don't even know as I want to grade them. Recently, now them still be the same people. Be say one boy go thief 20 cedis. They carry electric, tie the boy for pole, start to the shock him. Now this new technique now stick on and they can't see. I bet what they work then these people see then these old men where they do this kind of thing. Person we don't reach born this boy. And as you gather the information, the boy they talk say in mama talk he no see this boy for house. Now then begin find pikin, you know see. Now then can go report to police. Police so I no see my pikin. You know even take. He say as God want to help this boy, you know take. Now in this video of this boy where they use stick, they chook inside. Now he begin trend. Now they can't go arrest this 79-year-old man. Now him can't lead them to all this group when they see. Now he can't bring them out say they follow tie the boy. Do all this kind of they don't beat the boy. Make I not forget say they don't beat the boy say in tifo. Before now they can't carry and this boy they shout, they cry. But still now they see woman being hurt, they don't feel one sympathy that is they don't feel them for the boy. I bet which kind of man people they gather. And now they don't carry this boy go hospital go they treat him. But I bet even as they treat this boy. This trauma where they don't put inside this boy body, which they won't get over. Well, because this one, if you not talk say in a big gazing group, on for those talk and say, okay, on I won't carry this boy, join a group. Yes, if you like him, go. If you know one like, you know go join. Which one can be saying all the name of punishment? Now I can't do this one. It don't make sense at all. This one are just pure evil. It means that in this group of men, and these 6 men, now devil now groom them. They don't plan a bit, they don't even they mean the boy since because person thief your money. Fine, go meet mama time, mama say, okay, you're picking thief my money, be thief something. Maybe they go return the thing for you. Your mind you don't even go to you don't even reason that one, your mind no go there, your own make you go carry long and thick stick. Now the stick I don't even want because this thing not be saying I even something will be say if you enter person go they enjoy. The stick will be say if they chook you go even feel pain. Wood will be say chuku go there the body, now person can't get that mind. So now this kind of thing you won't do. I beg all this one, you know even they necessary. But I like cancer say they don't arrest them. All these old men, maybe if they enter prison for like 2 years, maybe their brain go reset, their head, they go start to they think right, say the thing where they do, you know good. My people abeg, I hear this one. This matter even tire me. I can't make her bring am come. Make una service na ear. Hear wetin dey happen inside this Ghana. Anything wey una feel, make una no forget to write am inside the comment section. Make una no forget to like and also share this video. I go see una for the next video. One woman don come outside say police don kill her daughter. Say during the Yoruba Nation rally wey happen, na there stray bullets just go meet this girl, kill this girl. This one happen inside Ojota Park for Lagos State. And I think say this rally, they even want people say make people no come outside. But as we gather our information, they talk say these Yoruba people come outside say they won't come protest due to the bad things where they happen inside Lagos State. Now there some people gather say that they go protest this thing, say the whole wahala where they happen, they no like them. This girl now on her own, no, she go dey open shop. Say, make she open shop, go do her normal business. We don't know where stray bullets just go come outside from. Just go knock this girl from now there. Before I go here, the girl don't even die. My people, I beg, make now follow me watch.
Baba! Láti kékeré ni bàbá Jésù pamọ́. Bàbá Jésù kò lọ sí. Olúwa o! Bàbá! Ìyá mi lọ! Lálẹ́ sọ! Lálẹ́ ni lọ sílẹ̀ ìwọ lọ. Wọ́n dá pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́. Ọdún ọdún kú.
She's the person.
The auntie.
Okay, the auntie. Okay, she's this auntie working with her.
See as person mama dey cry. Say pikin wey she don train since when this girl dey small, so up to this 25 years old. Now the police come know say they won't go shoot gun wey go touch this girl. And I when they want, I think say this whole protest of 18. They cancel them because I remember say federal government come outside talk say make this protest no hold. But I say people they really vex for them to come outside. But even if now one protest, I beg. Wetin come bring the shooting of gun? Because now this same federal government self, the IG now still come outside talk say the whole shooting they dey there, say police people go dey there to protect the people so that hijacking of this protest no go happen. So I come dey surprise say this kind thing even happen. And this man he use him mouth talk this kind thing by himself. My people I beg, make now follow me watch.
We are ready to take on them if they continue to violate the law. And the other part is that we need to show first now to let members of the public know that that is the law-abiding members of the public that we are ready to protect them. That's all. Showbiz is a regular thing. Don't allow them to get ready. It's a regular anti-security, anti-crime strategy.
And I don't say Abi, you talk say you want protect people. So I beg, how come shooting and throwing of tear gas and water can't happen for this kind of place? It means say all this one way in a talk and I don't even plan them at all. And I don't decide say if these people come and I go attack them. Because I don't understand this kind of way police people they do. And I go there saying I want protect people. And I go reach there and another thing I want they do. Now so now they run their own business and now say now they protect the lives of citizens. This one now they pursue them. But thank God this, in fact, this whole matter will happen. The woman says the whole thing even happens. Naija she rush. Go police station, go tell police, and I don't kill my pikin. Police don't say, no be them. Where evidence even dey? Person see and say, you throw, you shoot gun touch person for body. Police can't talk say, no be them. See as then this woman, they face them, they complain, and the police even start to threaten them. Say if they not come out from that station, they go shoot them. I bet what's the worry our police people? What's the worry Nigerian police? Why you go dey threaten person? Person come meet you say, you shoot him pikin. You can't even get mind. Tell am say you go carry gun shoot am again. Now so now they run our own business. How na no go expect say people go dey fear? How na want make people come dey meet and say okay, I get problem, make I come meet police. Now because of this na ways, this na katakata ways, now make people dey run comot from these things. Now people go see on her run say, police no be their friend because now no fit help them in any way. This woman now, she don't come out and say, make government help her because now bullet kill her daughter. Now her pikin dey normal, she know they follow the protest, she just they go on her own. So this whole matter made they put mouth. And I happy say the governor of Lagos State don't come outside, they don't accept. Say yes, so they don't claim, say the killing of the girl, they don't accept her. And they don't send their condolence to this girl's family. And say they want to investigate. Now that matter they shock me. Say they want to investigate the matter. One thing I want to investigate, they say the army will shoot the person, be the police will shoot her. Because now we don't know, say now true during that protest, now this whole thing happened. So the remaining thing when I supposed to know now, who shoots this guy, be who shoots that bullet when we say go reach this person. And I know go surprise self say we go hear say some other people say their wound. Because upon say this protest and a peaceful one, people they sing. Police still go there, go they beat people. What's the warriors? So people now no get right to come outside, use their mouth, talk, say, okay, the things where government they do, they no like and make it, they won't complain. Before I go see, now don't silence the person. This innocent girl now, we no can do anything, now even can they pepper me. If you now know say this gun, and I don't ready to use and shoot, and I know say I won't go there, go do peaceful protest. In fact, now I even carry him at all. Keep the gun for house. As you know, say a peaceful thing you won't do. Make everywhere dead jelly. Make an adults they follow them, say I won't protest them. Now they not to tear gas, to water on top of. Say what happen? Nigerian government and Nigerian police on a matter don't even tire me. My people are here this one. I want to make a bring and reach in aside. Making a service now here. Here waiting they happen. Making don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you on for our next video.